Hello, advanced math topic students. Mr. Crayton back with you, explaining what's going to happen here for week one as we return to learning. We are going to go ahead and wrap up that unit that we were working on prior to our dismissal. I will post to Google Classroom this document that you guys have seen here on the video. And first of all, I will be posting this video and have the link here on the document that you'll have. First of all, make sure your note packets are completed. If they're not completed, you can complete those. I did post some PDFs to my Google Drive that you have access to, each section there. Also, we're going to do a little review. We're going to do a review on 2.5. and then have a quiz on just 2.5. To see the document, click on the PDF, complete that, check it with these YouTube videos that have explanations of the solutions. When you are done with doing the review and making some fixes to it, take a picture of it and email that picture to me for grading. We will be grading as we have in the past. Assignments and quizzes will be formative. Quizzes, you'll get feedback from me. And then we will have summatives as well. Following the review, again, the review is due by Thursday. Let's just say 3:20 works for me. Then I will post a quiz on 2.5 on Wednesday, and that will be due on Friday. So again, you'll have a couple days to work through the review and get that into me, and then followed by the quiz. I will send you feedback over the weekend to take a look at on next Monday. Following the quiz, your third thing for the week, we're going to have 2.5 review, 2.5 quiz, and then review for a quiz on 2.6, 2.7 will be the third thing. I'd like to cover 3 things each week. Again, the explanation is here. That review will be due on Sunday. Again, timeliness is very important with having your work done. And again, if you turn things on time and take quizzes and get the feedback, you're going to be fine here as far as your learning and your grading. If you have any questions, concerns, need some assistance with anything, email me and I will get things rolling to help you out. Thank you and have a great day.